everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you few plain kurti designs with contrast color designer dupattas. These are heavy dupattas and can be weared with any plain color kurtis. So please continue watching the video till the end so that you can get the idea about the contrast color combinations you can try with your plain kurtis.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.